Hi guys! Today we have a very special guest, my mom, Cindy.
Hi guys.
Growing up, she made me the cutest headbands and scrunchies, so today we're going to show you how to make your own using your kids' old leggings. I'm Laura, and as a former makeup artist, I love sharing easy style and beauty tips that help moms feel their best.
Okay, so all you need is an old pair of kids' leggings, elastic, fabric scissors, and fabric glue. We're going to start with the scrunchies.
We're going to use this really cute pair of old leggings that don't fit Sydney anymore.
So we're going to cut the legging at the top where the two legs meet. And then we're going to measure out the elastic to about 9 inches. So do you remember when you played soccer and the girls on your team would always wear matching scrunchies?
Did you make all the scrunchies?
I made a lot of the scrunchies. So pull the elastic through the inside of the pant leg and tie a knot, a double knot actually, so it doesn't come loose, and pull it tight.
Okay, like that?
Yes. Now tuck the raw edge under the finished edge all the way around.
Okay.
And then you can start gluing.
Remember those huge bows clips you used to make me, like massive bows?
Huge bow clips.
They almost look like a top of a present.
The top of a present, but you used to wear them on your ponytail.
I remember. Oh, that was terrible.
And I used to wear scrunchies, by the way, too.
I wear them now. Oh my God, it's so cute.
It's adorable.
Mom, are you ready to do my hair again?
Okay. I haven't been able to do your hair in a long time. It looks so cute.
The girls are gonna love it. I'm gonna try it on Sid when she gets home. That looks so cute, Sid. I love it. All right, so next up are these adorable headbands that my niece Elliot has been loving lately.
Yeah, they're the only ones she keeps on. So you're gonna take a pair of children's leggings and cut the waistband off. Watch your fingers.
Okay, Mom. We've got our headband.
And now we're gonna make the flower. So you're gonna take your pants, cut about a 2-inch strip all the way down, and remember it does not have to be perfect. You're gonna tie 2 knots at the end.
Okay.
Now you're gonna start twisting and winding and then gluing as you go.
Okay, so you kind of wind it like a snail?
That's right.
Okay.
Yeah, and that knot gives it more dimension. That's kind of the center of the rose.
That's true. This is gonna be a really cute one.
It's
I like
really
the yellow
cute.
stripes.
Laura used to love wearing yellow as a kid. Her favorite.
It's still my favorite. So cute.
That's beautiful.
I love it.
That came out so pretty. Now all that's left is to glue it to the headband.
Okay, so I'm gonna glue it right here, just right over the seam.
I think it looks nice.
And ta-da! Okay, let's try it on you, Mom.
Cute. Okay.
It's so cute.
Oh,
It's really tight on.
what do you think?
It actually does look kind of cute. You look like you're like a flapper girl or something.
Flapper girl.
Yeah, it's adorable. This is such a fun and easy craft that the girls and I are loving. All right, Mom, thank you so much for coming on today.
Thank you so much for having me.
All right, bye. Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day.
What do you think? Are you excited for your video?
Does it look good?
Yeah.